Hello and welcome. Thanks so much for joining the course. UK Visitor Visa made simple. Step-by-step guide for first-time applicants. My name is Mohammed Abu Shanab. You can always call me Mo. I'm an international lawyer. I used to be an immigration lawyer in the UK for a long time, and I have a lot of experience with the UK, US, EU, and Canada immigration. I will be guiding you through every step of the UK visitor visa process in a simple, clear, and easy to understand way. This course is designed for people who are applying for the UK visa for the first time. Wherever you want to visit London, attend a wedding, visit a family or friend, or join a business meeting, the course is for you. Let me open the presentation. Who this course is for? Let's begin by asking, is this the right course for you? This course is perfect for tourists who want to visit the UK for sightseeing, people visiting friends and family, attendance of short conferences of business events, medical visitors for private treatment, anyone applying for UK standard visitor visa for the first time, and especially if you are confused by the forms, worried about visa refusal, or just want to feel confident before you apply, you are in the right place. What you will learn in this course. By the end of this course, you will learn, understand the UK visa system and rules, learn the difference between different visa types, know if you qualify for the visitor visa, collect the correct documents with clear examples, complete the online application step by step, prepare the biometric appointment, get ready for a possible interview if needed, understand what happens at the UK airport or border when you arrive after the visa being granted, know what to do if your visa is approved or, God forbid, you get denied, and even explore what to do after you visit if you want to apply again or stay longer in the UK. What you will get in this course, and thus inside this course, you will find easy video lessons, step-by-step guide, real examples and documents templates, downloadable checklist, a simple invitation letter, quiz at the end to check your understanding, tips for help avoid common mistakes, bonus introduction to longer visa if you want to stay longer later on. We will go slowly, step by step, and I will explain every detail clearly. No legal jargon, no confusing words, only simple, helpful information you can use. What this course is not. Before we continue, it's also important to say this course is not for immigration lawyers or immigration advisors. This is not an advanced course. This is a simple for people who would like to apply for the first time. It could be used as a guide for people who would like to understand the UK immigration in more rules, but in simple terms. People who want to move permanently or get work visa. We'll not discuss this at all. This is only for visitor visa who want to stay for a short term and then leave the United Kingdom. People looking for asylum or humanitarian visa will not discuss this in this course. This course only about the standard visitor visa, short-term visits only for tourism, family, business, or medical reasons. The course structure of this course is divided into clear sections. Section 1, understanding the UK visitor visa, what it is and who it is for. Section 2, documents you need, requires and optional. Section 3, how to apply online step by step. Section 4, biometric appointments and possible interview if needed. Section 5, what happens when you arrive in the UK. Section 6, if your visa is refused, how to fix it. Section 7, tips for traveling, booking, and future UK visa. Step-by-step guides for each sections. Tips for success. Before you go into the next chapters, I want to give you few important tips. Start early. Don't wait until the last minute. The process takes time. If you're planning to visit the UK and you need a visa, you need to start early as possible. Be honest. Don't lie or hide information. It will hurt this application or any future application. Number 3, be organized. Use our checklist to make sure you have everything. Number 4, stay calm. Even if you have been refused before, you can reapply with the better documents. Let's stay connected at any time. If you have any question or get confused, feel free to check the course Q&A section, download the checklist PDFs, join the support group, or leave a comment and I will reply when available. Before you start, have your passport ready, create a folder for all the visa documents, write down your travel plans, and set aside time to complete the course fully. Get ready for the work with confidence. Now you know what to do, what you expect. Let's get started with Chapter 1, Understanding the UK Visit Visa Rules and Requirements. Thanks so much for joining. I'm excited to help you succeed. Let's make your visa application journey smooth and successful, and see you in the UK on Chapter 1. See you in the next lesson.